Welcome back to another Lavu tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use the Lavu control panel to create a schedule for your employees. When you create a schedule, you will get useful information including how many hours you have each employee working and how much you will spend on payroll on any given week. Before we begin creating a schedule, we must first set up our rules for overtime. In Workforce Settings, click on Overtime. Start by ensuring that your work week is set appropriately. The only things this will impact is how your weekly schedule looks in the control panel and how overtime hours will be calculated. This will have no impact on overall labor reporting or Lavu payroll. Next, set your thresholds for when overtime and double time will occur if it is applicable. Please ensure you are following local labor laws when defining these rules. Finally, scroll down to the Holidays section, where you can automatically apply overtime or double time pay based on the listed holidays. Save any setting changes you have made, and now we can move into creating our schedule. To start, click on New Shift under any day of the week. Select the employee you wish to add a time for. If the employee has been assigned a class, it will automatically be added to the schedule as well. If the employee has more than one class, you will need to select which job they will be performing that day. Set the start and end time for their shift, and if they work the same shift on any other days of the week, you can select those days here to create multiple shifts at the same time. Once saved, you will see the information about the employee's current total hours for the week as well as their estimated pay. This is taken directly from your workforce settings under Pay Rates and Roles. If multiple employees work on the same days and times, you can add them to create multiple schedules at the same time. Matching schedules will be denoted with the same color in the layout once the times have been added. You are able to edit or delete a particular shift simply by clicking on it. If an employee will be eligible for overtime or double time, you will be able to see those details where your employee's pay is estimated. Once your schedule is complete, there are a number of ways you can get the information out to your team. First, you can simply print out a PDF copy or download it so you can email everyone the schedule. Make sure you hide employee pay first before printing or downloading to share with your team. You can also instruct your employees to use their usernames and profiles to log into my.poslavu.com. Here, an employee will be able to see the shifts you have assigned to them. They can also request coverage for a shift, which will send an email out to either other employees or managers depending on your settings. Those settings can be found in Workforce Settings under Shift Change Notifications. The last thing to show off here is the ability to copy your schedule from one week to the next. If your team's schedule stays fairly consistent from week to week, you can save time by clicking on Actions and then duplicate a previous week. Now you can finalize your schedule by making any small changes you need to. If you need any further assistance with creating employee schedules or anything else within your workforce settings, please reach out to our 24/7 customer support team through call, chat, or email. Check out our channel for more videos and tutorials like creating employee profiles or how to set up your Epson printer.